Hello cutie pies. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. How all are you doing? I hope you all are doing great and you're not troubling your parents, right? Do not trouble them. Don't do so much musty and naughty. Don't show naughtiness to your parents. And we all love animals, right? So, how many of you are having pet animals at home? That's great. We should also not trouble the animals. Animals are very important to us, right? And they provide so much happiness to us. They give so much happiness, love, and affection to us. And we will revise a different topic today, and we will see so many animals in this. So let's revise this topic, which we have already studied in our previous class. It is about strokes. Now we will move all these animals towards the end. Okay, so we can see an ant here. Ant is an insect. Now fish. Fish is a water animal. Frog. Frogs jump. This frog will hop towards the end. Now it's a honeybee. Okay, we will also move the honeybee towards the end by making her fly. Now we have another insect here, that is caterpillar. Okay, now we will take a pen and move these animals and insects towards the end by drawing and joining the dots. Okay, let's start. So start with me. Like this. Slowly, we will join the dots and we will move the ant towards the end. Yay! We have done it nicely. Now, we will take the fish and it is in the curving stroke. Okay? So, we will start first from here. Slowly, we will curve it and then again we will curve it. Slowly, we will join the dots and make the fish go towards the end. Like this. Now, frog. Again, it's a curving stroke. Like this. Again, it's a curving stroke. So, we will move the frog towards the end. Like this. Okay, I have not done it nicely. Now I will use a eraser here. Now we will take a pen and we will select a color. Let's take yellow color. Okay, now we will join the dots and move the animals or insects. Like this, slowly we will join the dots and move the ant towards the end. Yay, we have done it nicely. Now we will move the fish towards the end and it's the curving stroke. Like this, we will curve it slowly. Yes. Do it with me. Again, it's a curving stroke and yay, the fish has moved towards the end. Now we will move the frog towards the end. It's also again a curving stroke and the frog is hopping. Frog is hopping. Like this. We will bring it towards the end. And now we have honeybee. Honeybee will fly. Like this. It is flying. Slowly join the dots. It's like a roller coaster ride, right? Yay! Honeybee has come to an end. Now the last is caterpillar. Caterpillar will crawl like this. Curving stroke. These are all curving strokes. And caterpillar is crawling. Like this, we will bring it towards the end. Yes, we have done it. I hope you all have done it nicely and neatly. Okay, now we will learn it again in the next class. Okay, and I will ask you what all animals or insects you have practiced at home. Okay, so till then, bye bye. I will see you in the next class. Happy learning.